Hi, I'm Kristi Simpson with KristiSimpson.net, and today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the world's easiest Afghan. In just a few simple steps and few simple stitches, you will have created a beautiful blanket. You will learn how to create it in several different sizes, and by using bulky yarn and a larger hook, this will fly by. So let's get started. To begin the world's easiest Afghan, we will need to start with a slip knot. So take your yarn, fold it over into a loop, and then take your loop and fold it over onto itself. And then you will see the little strand in the center. So hold the two ends and just pull the middle strand. And that will give you an adjustable loop to start your chain with. Now I have used a 9mm and this bulky weight 5, but you can really use any weight in any yarn, in any hook to make this, and I will show you why. My blanket I used 80 chains, but you can make it any length by chaining, which is yarning over and pulling through your loop, and that is it. And you can make it any length, and then you can make it in any width as well. So this is a chain, and we will continue a few more. Now whenever you begin, you're going to use the back bump on the chain. And this will give you a nice finished look. Whenever you are finished with your blanket, it will be even with the other end. So just take your hook and insert into that back bump, the first one from the hook. Yarn over and pull back through. You will have 2 loops on your hook. So yarn over and pull back through. This is a single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, and pull back through. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull back through. And we will do this for the rest of the first row only, just because it gives us a nice edge. We just have a few more to go here. Now I really like this bulky yarn because it works up so quick. So if you're in need of a gift or a quick project or need something to do without a pattern, this is the pattern for you. Okay, now that we're at the end, we have finished our single crochet row. We will chain 3, and this will be your first double crochet of each row, and it will also be the last double crochet of the returning row. So this is your first stitch, which is your chain 3 here. So we will be working into this second stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull back through. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the second 2. And that's how you do a double crochet. And we will be continuing with the double crochet throughout this entire row and throughout the rest of the blanket. And if you wanted to just practice, you could do a few chains just like I did, or you can do as many as you want. Just take your measuring tape and just measure out. Say you want to do a baby blanket, do a 30 by 50, or maybe a stroller blanket and do a 20 by 30. You can make it as wide and as long as you want to. And using the double crochet will help make it fast, and using a bulky yarn and a large hook will make it even faster. Okay, when you get to the end, this will be our last stitch. You can see that it has the extra space right there. So just yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull back through and complete it. Now we will start this row the same way with the chain 3, which will be your first double crochet. So do not work into this first stitch right here because it is your first double crochet. And I will show you how to end this row when having the chain 3 as your first stitch, because it may be a little confusing unless you just see it. So we'll work the double crochet across this row, and we're almost finished here. Okay, we have 2 left. See, we have the chain 3 and we have the double crochet. So double crochet in that stitch, and then using the 3rd chain, 1, 2, and it's right here, 3, you will double crochet in it. And that will give you a straight edge. See right there? And you will just continue to chain 3 and double crochet across the width of your blanket until you have completed your desired size. Now that you have learned the basic steps, the chain, the single crochet and double crochet, you can take this pattern and this blanket anywhere you go. Make sure you join me back for more videos.